Hey guys, although today's video is a short one, this is a solution to a big problem, and Dolly Parton here is going to agree with me. So on the back seat of our crew cab trucks, we have cup holders in the floor, and for those of you like me who carry your companions around with you in the back seat, for some stupid reason they decided to leave this hole cut out in our fold flat storage system. So the first part of the solution was getting these liners from canvas back, and I'll have a whole video separately on those, but that certainly helps. It mitigates the problem, but it's still not perfect. So I had to go to the drawing board on this one, and I ended up coming up with my own solution that I am ready and willing to manufacture for you guys if you see the need. So this is going to look a little weird. This is actually a pool noodle cut to a very specific length, and this is a 3D printed filler. And so I've teamed up with a buddy who's got a lot nicer 3D printer than me, who's capable of cranking these bad boys out. And you just put those on there like so. Once they're cut to the right length, fits right in there. So you can close this and then that sits flush with the plastic trim, because if you put weight on here, this edge actually does move up and down. So I kind of picked the happy medium. Let me put that on there like so. Then I've got this beautiful dog mattress with a shoulder. So it kind of covers up this little slot where I store some stuff. Keeps that safely tucked back in there. And then it gives Dolly a nice place to lay her head if she wants to take a nap. And it keeps access to the vents open so she can get that nice cool air conditioning back here. So if you guys would like that cup holder filler set, drop me a comment or shoot me an email and let me know, because I'm gauging interest right now. If we just need to make one here or there, we can certainly do that. But if there's a big demand for these parts, we'd like to set something up so we can sort of do a production run on these. And then at that point, I could actually put them on the website. But for now, they'll just be built to order. Just a really custom niche deal. If you want one, again, shoot me an email, joe@doomsdaydiesel.net, or go to my website and fill out the contact form. And like I said, it's a short video today, but again, it's kind of a serious problem if you have dogs just running around on the back without the mattress, because they can put their poor little paws in there and injure themselves. So thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon for another video.